Righty-ho there, Gnomies. Well, it's late spring. Let's try that again. Heidi-ho, Gnomies. Well, it's the final days of spring here around the Gnomestead. And we got a little bit of foraging to do because we're running out of time for a few things. What few things? Well, the spruce tips. They're definitely popping. We need to get picking and make something yummy. Let's do it. Let's cook something. Now, you want to get these before they open up too big. These are doing pretty good. These are a little bit too far gone. And they pop at different times. We got a few here. I'm just going to wander around, see what we can find. Hopefully we can find enough to make something yummy. Because, yeah, we waited a little bit long, but it's gonna be okay. Oh, check this out. We got company. Hi, ladies. Are you here to help? Now you notice we only got 3. That's because we got a broody hen. We're gonna deal with that though. Alright, back to picking. Now, ladies, you ready? You ready? Come on. Did you all know some of the amazing health benefits of spruce tips? Starting with vitamin C, to help strengthen your immune system. Vitamin A helps maintain healthy organ function. Magnesium and potassium helps with wound healing. Chlorophyll helps remove heavy metals from the body. Scitamic acid, a compound that helps fight respiratory ailments and the flu. Come on, let's go.
Come on, ladies, get to picking. There's a storm a brewing. It's gonna get nasty.
Well, here it comes. That ain't gonna stop us.
Picking in the rain, we're picking spruce tips in the rain. How lucky are we to get spruce tips in the rain?
Gnomies, just like with any wild harvest, make sure you don't pick them all from one spot. A few here, a few there. Because these are the branches for the next generation. Save some. What are you doing, ladies? Huh? Huh? What are you doing?
Sweet Pete, are you here helping? Huh? You just keeping me company. Yeah, good girl. Keep up the good work.
We're getting there. They're all over. See, we still got some nice small young ones to pick. These right here are the perfect size to pick. You haven't opened up yet. all the way, nice and tight and dense. Perfect. Whereas these, they're a little bit too far gone. I mean, you can still use them. I think the smaller, tighter ones, yeah, I'd avoid those. Stick with these small ones. What are you thinking there, sweet peas? Huh? What are you doing out here in the rain? Huh? You helping Daddy pick spruce tips? I'll try one. I don't think you're gonna like it. Yeah, see? And you just wasted it. Hey! Where are you guys running off to? Little rain never hurt nobody. Oh well. We almost got all that we need. A couple cups in there. Probably need one more cup. Call it good. And we'll get inside and make something yummy! Alright, Gnomies, it's about to start raining to beat the band, so we got, I don't know, about 3 cups. Maybe a little over 3 cups. Now, I'm thinking that's how much we're gonna need. Since the ladies abandoned us in the rain, where the heck did they go? I hear them. Anyway, what a lot of people do with these spruce tips is they'll go ahead and they'll make a syrup with brown sugar, spruce tips, let it sit for a while. It's real good for cough syrup. Takes care of a lot of inflammation in the throat and stuff like that. Real good for you. You can also dry them out. Put them in a dehydrator, get them nice and dry, and you make tea with them. But, oh, there you guys are, hiding under the freaking car. You're supposed to be out there helping me. And what do you do? Yeah. Oh well. Where were we? Oh yeah. We're gonna do something a little different and make something super duper yummy. Let's get in the kitchen and cook something. Alright, Gnomies, we're here in the Gnomestead Tiny House kitchen, and we're gonna put in this pot 3 cups of spruce tips. Then to them spruce tips, we're gonna add 3.5 cups of water. Bring it up to a boil. Oh, one more thing I want to put in there. 4 mint tea bags. Be sure they get down in there good. Not the tags. Just the bags. Up. Not the tags, just the bag. Good enough. Just like that. Now we're going to turn the heat off. Put the lid back on. See you in 24 hours. Alright, Gnomies, we're back. We're here in this big pot. We got our jars. We boiled them for about 10 minutes. Got them nice and sanitized and hot. All our rings are in there too. So, let's get to our tea. Voila! Oh, look. What we did was after that soaked for about 24 hours, we ran that through a cheesecloth, cut all the naughty bits out of it. That yielded us about 3 cups of spruce tip mint tea. Now, we don't need 3 cups of this, but we do need 2 cups. Some apple cider vinegar. 1 cup of that. For that, you want to get yourself a green bell pepper. You want to take half of it, cut it up into nice tiny dice. Throw that in there. Oh. Make sure you get all of it. Now for the spicy part, you take 4 of these and you cut them up into tiny pieces like these. Put them in there. Get them all. And you want 5, count them, 5 cups of sugar. Light a fire under it. Bring it up to a boil. Stirring it often. Get all that sugar dissolved. Now make sure when you do this you want something with high sides on it, because you are boiling sugar and it's going to boil up pretty good. So, alright. Bring it to a boil. While you're waiting for that, take your extra tea, heat it back up, throw some honey in there. It's a yummy delicious. Now, Gnomies, it came up to a boil. Now, when I say a boil, that's about what you want. And you want to make sure that when you're stirring it, it keeps boiling. And you want to do this for 10 minutes. We'll be back. Alright, Gnomies, it's been 10 minutes. I've been stirring this pretty regular. Now it's time to add 2 packages of Sure Jell. You can use the dry, and you can use the liquid, as long as you put in 2 packs. And I want to sprinkle these in because I don't want it to get too lumpy. Make sure I get it stirred in there real good. There's a 1. Now you want to bring this back up to the boil. And that's a boil that you can't stir down. You want to do this for 1 minute. Keep stirring the whole time. One minute's up, shut the heat off. There you go. Now time to fill up some jars. Alright, Gnomies, over here we got our big pot. Yeah, over here, over there. We got our big pot back on the boil because we're going to water bath these. But first we got to get this jelly in the jar. And we're going to be real careful about this because this is hot boiling sugar. And we're going to fill them up right to about there. Alright, there we go. Ended up having to fill up 6 of them. That's why I always do an extra jar. Plus, you got a little bit left over. I'll be able to try this. Alright, let's get these in the water bath. These are really hot. Now you want to make sure you have at least an inch of water on top of these, so I've got some boiling water here to add to it. Make sure I got enough. Bring that up to a boil. Alright, Gnomies, that's at a nice gentle boil. We want to let this go for about 10 minutes. with the lid on it. Alright, Nomies, it's been 10 minutes. Turn off the heat. Let that cool down a little bit. We can pull them out of there and check it out. See what it looks like. There you go, Nomies. 6 jars of sweet and spicy, yummy deliciousness. Oh yeah. Now, let's try some. Well, before we try out the jelly, we gotta pay the ladies for all their help. Chick, chick! Where's the ladies at? Sweepy, where's your receipters? Thanks for your help, baby. Thanks for your help picking spruce tips. There they are. Here you go, laddie. Enjoy a nice little spicy treat. Thanks for all your help. Even you. Yeah. And you. Alright, Nomies, here we are. Now this is how I like to eat it. Cracker, a little bit of Philly. Now, I know what it tastes like. So, we'll let you have a shot, huh? You ready? You ready? Open wide. Here comes the choo-choo. Oh, you almost bit my fingers off. Pretty freaking yummy, huh? All right, guys. Try it. Enjoy it. And we'll catch you next time.
Never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete.
I'm a Nomie, he's a Nomie, she's a Nomie, you're a Nomie, wouldn't you like to be a Nomie?
Put your comment down on the bottom.
Click the subscribe down on the bottom, click the like button,
Down on the bottom.
make a comment,
Down on the bottom.
peace out.